Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to take a Dodge Charger door panel off. First, gather your tools, including a plastic trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by gently prying off the small plastic cover located behind the interior door handle. Once this cover is removed, you will find a Phillips head screw. Carefully unscrew it. This initial step is crucial for accessing the hidden fasteners and preventing damage to your door panel. Proceed slowly to ensure no clips or plastic pieces are broken. Next, use your plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry up the entire window switch panel. Once it's loose, gently disconnect all electrical connectors attached to the back of the switch panel. These connectors usually have small tabs that need to be pressed to release them. After that, locate the two screws hidden beneath the armrest pad. You might need to lift or remove a small cover to access them. Unscrew these to further loosen the panel. Now, starting from the bottom edge of the door panel, use your trim tool to carefully pry it away from the door frame. You'll hear the plastic clips releasing as you go. Work your way around the entire perimeter of the panel, ensuring all clips are disengaged. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel straight upwards. This action will clear the panel from the window channel and the top edge of the door, allowing it to come completely off. With the panel lifted, you'll need to disconnect the door handle cable and any other remaining electrical connectors, such as those for the door light or speaker. These usually have simple release mechanisms. Once everything is disconnected, carefully set the door panel aside in a safe place where it won't get scratched or damaged while you complete your work. Reassembly is the reverse of these steps. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.